Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by assembling ingredients and tools so you work cleanly. Use 1 large egg yolk or 1 whole pasteurized egg for safety, 1 teaspoon anchovy paste or 2 anchovy fillets finely mashed, and 2 cloves garlic minced. Measure 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, plus 2 tablespoons neutral oil, 1/2 cup finely grated parmesan, kosher salt, and black pepper. Ready a whisk, bowl, and microplane for garlic. Place the egg yolk in a medium bowl with 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and the mashed anchovies. Whisk until combined. While whisking vigorously, very slowly stream in 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons neutral oil drop by drop to create a stable emulsion, then increase to a thin, steady stream until thick. Stir in 1/2 cup finely grated parmesan and 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Then season with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To finish, chop 8 cups romaine to bite size and place in a large salad bowl. Add about 1 cup dressing and toss gently to coat each leaf lightly. Sprinkle 1/2 cup crunchy croutons and an extra 2 tablespoons grated parmesan. Season with more black pepper if desired, and serve immediately so croutons stay crisp. Refrigerate any leftover dressing in an airtight container up to 3 days. If separation occurs, whisk briefly to recombine and taste for seasoning before using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.